Bob. You look tired today.
Hi, Jesse. Yes, a little tired. Classes were heavy today.
True. So many lectures. I almost fell asleep in the afternoon.
Me too. That history class was so long.
Yes, very long. But anyway, how was your day?
Day was fine, but something small happened.
What happened? You look serious.
Nothing big, just in English class, teacher asked me a question.
Okay, then.
I tried to answer in English, but my sentences were wrong. My grammar was broken.
Hmm.
Some students laughed. Not all, but some. I felt so bad.
Oh no, that is rude. They should not laugh.
Yes, but they laughed and I lost confidence.
I understand. That happens, but you should not feel small.
How can I not? When people laugh, it hurts.
True, but remember, they also make mistakes. They only hide it better.
Maybe, but I feel scared now.
Scared of what?
Scared to speak in English again. If I try, maybe they laugh again.
Bob, listen. If you stop speaking, your English will never improve.
Hmm,
Mistakes are part of learning. Without mistakes, no one grows.
easy for you to say. You speak English better than me.
Better? No, no. My English is not perfect. I also make mistakes.
Really?
Yes. Do you remember last week? I said, I am study this book instead of I am studying this book. Everyone laughed. Even teachers smiled.
Oh, yes, I remember. You laughed at yourself, too.
Exactly. I laughed. Then I learned. Now I don't make the same mistake.
Hmm.
See, Bob, laughing is not the problem. The problem is fear. If you laugh and keep learning, you win.
You're right. But at that moment, I just wanted to run away.
I know the feeling. I had it many times.
Really?
Yes. In school, when I spoke English, my classmates laughed. I cried that day, but slowly I practiced. Now I don't cry.
You're brave.
And you can be brave too.
But how? My grammar is weak, Jesse. My words are few.
That is fine. We can practice together.
Together?
Yes, you and me. Every day, 15 minutes, only English talk.
But I will make many mistakes.
That's fine. I will make mistakes too. We will laugh, but in a good way. Friendly laugh, not hurtful.
Hmm. Okay. But what should we talk about?
Anything like hobbies, dreams, daily life, even simple sentences.
Okay. That sounds good.
Good. So let us start right now. tell me your hobby.
My hobby? Mm, I like drawing.
Oh, that is nice. You're an artist.
Not artist, just simple drawings.
Still, it is good. You must show me sometime.
Sure. And what about you?
I like reading stories.
English stories?
Sometimes. At first, I did not understand much, but slowly I improved.
That is good. I should also read stories.
Yes, reading helps a lot.
But reading is hard. Many words I don't know.
Then start with easy books. Even children's stories are useful.
Oh, that is a good idea.
Yes, and while reading, speak aloud. That helps with speaking too.
Okay, I will try.
Good. Step by step, you will improve.
Thank you, Jesse. I already feel lighter.
See? Talking helps. Don't keep. Next day. Hi, Bob. Ready for practice today?
Ready, but a bit nervous.
No need to be nervous. Just think it's normal talk. Only difference is we use English.
Okay, then let's try.
Good. Let's start simple. Tell me, what did you eat for lunch?
Lunch. I ate rice, dal, and bread.
Nice. That's clear.
And you?
I ate 2 chapatis and some vegetables.
Okay. See, this was easy.
Yes, very easy. Daily talk is always simple.
But in class, the teacher asks hard questions.
That's true. But first, we build confidence with simple talk. Then slowly, we will try bigger sentences.
Okay.
Now, next question. Tell me, what is your favorite place in your town?
Favorite place? There is a small river near my town. I like it very much
Oh, that sounds nice. Why do you like it?
because it is peaceful. I sit near the river and draw pictures.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yes. And you? Favorite place in your town?
My favorite place is the library.
Library.
Yes, it is small but very quiet. I go there to read storybooks.
Oh, that fits you. You love books.
Yes, true.
See? This is not so hard.
Exactly. You are speaking very well.
No. My grammar is wrong.
Forget grammar for now. Speak first, grammar later.
Okay.
Let's try another. Tell me your dream.
My dream. I want to be an artist.
That's great. What kind of artist?
I want to make drawings for books, like pictures in storybooks.
Oh, an illustrator. That's amazing.
Yes, but my English is weak. How can I work in big cities without English?
Don't worry, you are already learning. Step by step, you will get better.
Maybe.
Not maybe, surely, but only if you practice.
Okay.
And what is your dream, Jesse? My dream is to be a teacher.
Teacher? English teacher.
Yes, I want to teach children English.
Then you must speak perfect English.
That's why I practice. If I stop, I cannot teach.
True.
You know, Bob, sometimes I also feel shy.
Really? You don't look shy.
I hide it well. But inside, I feel nervous when speaking in front of class.
Oh,
But still, I try. Because only trying makes us better.
you are strong.
And you will be strong too. Just don't stop.
Okay. From today, no stopping.
Good. Let's play a game.
What game?
Word game. I say a word in English. You make a sentence with it.
Oh, that is hard.
Not hard. Try. Okay. First word, book.
Book. I have one book.
Perfect. Easy. Okay. Next word, school.
I go school.
Almost correct. Say, I go to school.
Ah, okay. I go to school.
Good. Next word, happy.
I am happy today.
Very good. See? Easy.
Yes. Not so scary.
Now your turn. You give me a word.
Okay. Word is river.
I sit near the river.
Nice. Next word, friend.
You are my good friend.
That's true.
See, this game helps. Small sentences, but useful.
Yes, I like it. Time goes fast. Already evening.
Yes, but today we did good practice.
Yes, I feel more confident.
That's the spirit. Tomorrow we continue.
Okay. Tomorrow again, English talk.
Deal.
Thank you, Jesse. Without you, I would not even try.
Thank me. We are friends. Friends always help.
Still, I feel lucky to have you.
And I feel lucky too. We are helping each other.
True.
Now, let's go before it gets dark.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.